Sneezing is the body's natural reflex to remove irritants or foreign particles from the nasal passages. When something irritates the lining of your nose, such as dust, pollen, or bacteria, your body reacts by sending a signal to your brain. In response, your brain sends a message to your nasal muscles, causing them to contract suddenly. This rapid contraction expels air from your lungs at a high velocity, along with the irritant, to clear your nasal passages and protect your respiratory system. Sneezing helps to keep your airways clear and prevent potentially harmful particles from entering your lungs.